Hello everyone. It's been a little while since I posted an update on Project Vampire Resurrection, the 1993 Chevy S10. She has been sitting on and off, been driven, some in between. Everything's in good mechanical working order still. Still needs some plugs and wires. It's running a little bit more rough than it used to be when I first got it, but overall still doing pretty well. Haven't really had the extra money to do that. We are in almost in the middle of December in 2018, and of course that's Christmas time, holidays. Money always gets tight then, as does for most people. But it is actually around 26 degrees outside right now. And to demonstrate how good this truck is in the cold weather, it was driven yesterday morning, parked after that, but we'll show you how quick it turns over. Easy as that. No warning lights. Hasn't really been much going on with it lately. That's why I haven't posted any updates. I have been driving it quite a bit, on and off. But this will probably be the last update for a while since winter's here. Probably not going to do much until it warms up, or maybe when I get the extra money, we'll get those plugs and wires and get those changed out. But for now, she just sits and gets driven around. 10 miles here, 10 miles there. Till the next update, take care, and we will see you all on the local show circuit in southern Indiana in spring, summer 2019. Still have the fender damage also. Still looking into getting an original fender to replace it. And a grill, either original or aftermarket. Not really sure on that yet. But thanks for everyone who's following me on this journey. And we'll see you back soon. Take care.